Namaste and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to deep dive in Buddha's path of inner peace. Are you tired of the constant noise and endless worry that fill your days? Do you long for a calm that doesn't fade, a peace that no circumstance can shake? Imagine waking each morning not in stress but in serenity, a stillness that feels like home. This isn't a dream, it's a reality Buddha himself lived and taught over 2,500 years ago. In this video, we'll uncover Buddha's ancient secrets to cultivating profound inner peace, and how you can bring those timeless teachings into your life. Starting right now. Peace begins within. What if the key to unlocking profound tranquility isn't found outside yourself, but within? For thousands of years, one path has led humanity toward the same destination. A deep, unshakable calm that comes not from controlling life, but from understanding it. Buddha discovered this through his own journey, from the comfort of a royal palace to the stillness beneath a Bodhi tree. He realized that peace cannot be found by chasing pleasure or escaping pain. True peace arises when the mind sees reality as it is, without attachment, without resistance. This insight became the foundation of his path. The Dharma, a way of living and perceiving that brings the restless mind to rest. The heart of the teaching. Buddha's first teaching was both simple and revolutionary. He called it the Four Noble Truths, a map of human suffering and liberation. The truth of suffering, dukkha. Life, as we live it, is filled with dissatisfaction. Even in happiness, there's a subtle unease, the fear it might end. The cause of suffering, samudaya. Our suffering arises from attachment and craving, the constant wanting of what we don't have, or the fear of losing what we do. The end of suffering, nirodha. Freedom comes when we release attachment. When we stop grasping at life, peace naturally appears. The path to the end, magga. This is the Noble Eightfold Path, Buddha's guide to awakening, a balanced way of living with awareness, compassion, and wisdom. This path isn't about religion, it's about transformation. It's a way to master your own mind and find peace in any situation. Buddha didn't just speak of peace, he gave a method to achieve it. The Eightfold Path is like an 8-spoked wheel, each spoke representing a step toward inner harmony. Right view, see reality clearly. Understand that everything is impermanent, and peace comes from acceptance. Right intention, choose kindness, compassion, and simplicity as the motives behind your actions. Right speech, speak truthfully and gently, words can heal or harm. Right action, live ethically, avoid harm to others and yourself. Right livelihood, earn your living in a way that brings peace, not suffering, to the world. Right effort, train the mind with discipline and positivity. Right mindfulness, be fully present, aware of each moment without judgment. Right concentration, cultivate deep meditation and inner stillness. Together, these form a living practice, a spiritual science of the mind that brings peace not as an escape, but as a natural state of being. Meditation is the doorway to inner stillness. Buddha's greatest revelation was that the mind can be trained. Just as a flame flickers in the wind, our thoughts and emotions are unstable, until we learn to still the air. Through mindfulness and meditation, we begin to see thoughts arise and fade like clouds in the sky. We stop identifying with them, and we find the vast, silent awareness behind them. What Buddha called Nirvana, the cessation of suffering. Meditation isn't about escaping reality, it's about seeing it clearly. It's where the storm of thought settles, and your true nature, peaceful, radiant, and infinite, is revealed. Feeling overwhelmed by the demands of the world, Buddha's wisdom offers a radical truth. You can live in the same world, but experience it differently. When you master your mind, the world doesn't change, you do. And that change transforms everything. No more fighting the flow of life. No more endless chasing. Instead, there is acceptance, awareness, freedom. You realize that peace isn't a destination, it's your natural state, once illusion falls away. Your journey begins. Now, Buddha's path is not about belief, but experience. It begins the moment you decide to look within. You don't need to leave your home, your work, or your world. Only the constant noise of the mind. So take a breath. Feel the silence within you. That stillness, right there, is the peace you've been searching for. If this message resonates with you, remember, peace is not something you find. It's something you remember. Join us as we continue exploring the wisdom of the Buddha, the science of the mind, and the art of awakening consciousness. Like, share, and subscribe to stay connected on your journey to inner peace. The path begins here. The destination is within. Namaste.